Hi there! What we will do in this video is remove one column from a data frame, how to remove two columns or more, and finally how to remove rows from a data frame. We will use this data frame for our exercise. It has a name of product, available signs, total sales, and star rank. We will do our code here. So DataFrame.drop star rank at x is 1, it is a column, and in place is equals to true because we don't want to make a new copy of this data frame. Let's print this and we can run. And we got this output. We have the original data frame and the remove one column without the star rank. The first parameter answers the question remove what? The second parameter answers the question is it a row or a column? And the third parameter answers the question change original data frame. Let's go to the next exercise, remove two columns. Code will be almost the same thing. DataFrame.drop and we pass a list, available signs, total sales, the name of the second column to remove. It is a column and we don't want to make a copy. We go here and we uncomment the prints and run this. And now we have this result. This is the result of remove one column. So we have here the available signs and total sales, and here we have just name of product. Let's go to the final exercise, and again the code will be almost the same thing. DataFrame.drop and what we want to drop, the row 1 and 3. It is at x is 0, which means that it is a row. In place true because we don't want a new copy of this data frame. Let's uncomment the prints and run this. And we got this result. Remove two columns, the previous result, and remove rows. We don't have the index 1 and the index number 3. Don't forget that you can download the source code. Please give a like to this video and as always, thank you for watching.